Hello everyone!
Welcome to our channel!
Let's set a light
Together!
This was our original lighting setup. And here is the film scene we tried to recreate.
Je ne suis pas un homme à qui on dit allez-vous-en.
So how did we transform from this to that? First, let's talk about the film we were imitating. Inglourious Basterds is a 2009 World War II film directed and written by Quentin Tarantino. It is known for its unique blend of stylized violence, dark humor, and non-linear storytelling. The film is not a traditional war movie, but rather a revisionist historical fantasy infused with Tarantino's signature flair. Set in Nazi-occupied France, the story unfolds along two main plot lines: the Jewish revenge squad and the cinema revenge plot. These two storylines converge in a dramatically intense climax, which is the part we chose to recreate. Let's take another look at the original scene we imitated. To achieve a better visual result, we used lighting simulation software before the shoot. Here are the 2D and 3D lighting simulation images we created. Unfortunately, due to equipment limitations and location constraints, we had to make some adjustments to the original setup. Now, let's see how we lit the actual scene. We started by placing a key light behind and to the side of the actor, with the light source positioned higher than the subject to shine down from above. This top light created strong shadows as seen in the reference image. However, we found the lighting was too dim and the tone was warmer than the original film. So we added a white LED light at an angle from behind to act as a fill, which enhanced the backlight presence and adjusted the color tone. Additionally, we placed another light to the front left side of the actor, reflecting it with a bounce board to soften shadows using either the key or ambient light. This made the subject's face appear gentler and more natural. Next, we show a wide shot of the lighting setup on set. This gave us our initial lighting look. Let's check out the results. We can also refer back to the lighting simulation for comparison and adjustment. Now let's see how the actual on-set lighting looked during filming. It's quite an improvement compared to the beginning. Finally, here's a summary of the lighting equipment and techniques we used. A key light positioned above and behind the subject to cast light downward and shape the silhouette. A white LED light was added to balance the yellow tone and enhance the rear lighting. A black flag or mask was used to increase contrast on the subject's face, creating a chiaroscuro or split light effect. A front side light was reflected to naturally fill in the facial light. And that's how we recreated the iconic scene from Inglourious Basterds. Thank you for watching.